Hello everyone. Today I received the present from Alex. It's a Astrocat. I'm going to open this. Actually, it's looks like open box, open design. Very curious. I saw this toy in one of the shops before, and I'm very happy that I received it as a present. Wow! I like design because it's opened like a display. Yeah, and I like this style. Let me open this. Wow, what I got? It's a card. Hello everyone, my name is Astrocat, Space Cadet. Yeah, this collectible card, number 1. Nice, it looks like a cover of magazine. Another one, it looks like a sticker pack. Yeah, it's like a sticker pack. And that one, New Home, first, it's like a comic book, small comic book about toy. It's really cool that the toy have some story behind, and this is a toy itself. Look at that cat. Wow, amazing, nice toy. Thank you, Alex. Thank you for this present. I'm very happy. Wow. Created by Family Studio. Yeah, that's really nice. I have a part of my collection with only black and white and grayscale toys, and it could be this will comes on this shelf, special shelf only for black and white and grayscale toys. Thank you again.